Alright guys, you can't see it, but it's a huge update. I've bought a laptop and everything is easier with a laptop. I can just watch it and react to it and I don't have to hold it anymore. So I can talk with both my hands. And other than that, I've got a dining table to sit on. Life's great. It's not. LG. So, mix and bake as seen on TV. I'm all about cakes right now. I'm all about diabetes. And if you didn't know, I have a very, very weird autoimmune condition in which I can't eat anything delicious, cakes included. So that's why I'm all about cakes. Actually, I ate a cake yesterday, like a whole big cake, and it was gluten-free. So thank God I can eat gluten-free. I can still eat gluten-free. But yeah, I'm delicious allergic. I'm allergic to the delicious things. Stop talking about yourself and start the show. Infomercial review. Mix and bake, as seen on TV, commercial. Let's go.
Do you love to bake a delicious homemade cake?
Nope, but I would like to eat it.
All that pouring, what a pain, what a mess.
Alright, that doesn't look good. I know I'm all about, doing black and white stuff to show how the people are suffering from doing it in real life, but that in black and white looks like poop. I'm not eating cake ever again, even if it's not gluten-free.
Introducing
It is.
Mix and Bake, the one-pan wonder that lets you mix and bake a cake
Mix and bake.
completely in just one pan.
Mix, bake, and get cancer. That is fucking plastic. You're eating plastic. Come on.
So there's no messy cleanup. Watch.
Yeah.
Mix and Bake is a full
No messy cleanup, but yes, chemotherapy.
Then pop it down. Place it in the oven and bake your cake. The durable silicone is melt-proof at every baking temperature.
Place it in the oven and get cancer as well as type 1 and type 2 diabetes. You're welcome. That is our infomercial today. Thanks for watching. Go fucking home.
And mix. Then pop it down. Place it in the oven.
Liar, liar, your infomercial pants on fire.
At every baking temperature. When it's done, just separate from the silicone. and
Yeah,
slide
'cause it's
out the
plastic.
cake. No sticking. The secret is the patented dual chamber design that lets you
Silicone.
bake and bake in one
How much
pan
are you
for a
gonna
perfect
sell
cake
me this
every
thing?
time. There's never enough room for all your baking pans, but Mix and Bake collapses down for easy storage. Ordinary baking leaves a sink full of dishes, but Mix and Bake is the perfect way to bake.
Why is that in black and white? It's just
Mix and Bake clean
washing dishes. Washing any dish is in black and white because it's miserable. I fucking hate it. Like, I like vacuum cleaning. I like, wearing maid costumes. But if I'm wearing a maid costume, I'd rather get fucked in the ass than rubbing dirt out of dishes. I could do a better one. If I'm wearing a maid dress, if I'm wearing a maid costume, I'd rather rub cum out of someone's cock than rub dirt out of someone's dishes. That's a good one.
takes the cake. Just mix, pop, and bake in one pan. No mess, no
Yes,
stress.
chemotherapy.
Plus it's BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Grandkids love to bake a cake and enjoy
Look at
the
that
feeling
kid.
of mixing.
Yeah! What were you so excited about? Cake?
Grandmas love the quick cleanup. Just mix and bake a cake that company will love.
That looks like a
pop,
flower
pop,
pot.
pop a birthday delight. That's love at first bite. Now
Love
mix
at
it,
first bite.
pop it,
Alright, that sounds sexual, but because they're showing us kid on the show, commercial, I can't make sexual comment on it. But if it was a woman, I would have told you what it looked like. Can we
and bake for a perfect cake. Order
Mix,
your
pop, and
round-cake
bake.
with recipe guide for just $19.99. Call now and we'll double your offer. Just pay separate processing and handling.
What's better than one cancer-causing pot? Two cancer-causing pots. So you get diabetes, cancer-causing pot, cancer, and another counter can waga.
But wait, there's more.
There's
Right
more.
now and get the mix and
Oh,
bake
douche
candy
syringe. What is that?
decorating kit. Absolutely free. Bake a cake, then decorate. The kids will celebrate. You get it all. 2 mix and bakes, 2 recipes.
Were you all about
and
poetry in
decorating
these
kits, all for
commercials?
just $19.99. Call or click now. Also ask about our square mix and bake pan for brownies or cornbread.
All right, $20. 12 years ago, people paid $20 to buy this shitty flower pot. That explains a lot of things, including Trump becoming the president. Thanks for watching. Hope you come back next week.